Hey everyone, Ritik here from Clientric CRM Consulting and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to set up templates inside ZOHO Inventory. So let's get started. So right now we are into the dashboard of ZOHO Inventory. So in order to set up the templates, we need to go to the settings. So on the top right, you will see this button. Simply click here. So here it will provide you a lot of options. So under customization, you will see PDF template. If you scroll down, just simply click here. And here just click on new in order to create a new template. So here you will see like there are total 18 types of templates which Zoho provides. Like you want it under standard, Japanese style. So there are a lot of fonts and like different type of templates which you can utilize. But I will go for standard. Yeah, you can also select the language in which language you want this template to be. So I will use English. So first we need to write the template name. So I will say client trick test. Here you can customize like what should be the paper size, A4, A5 letter, like what should be the orientation, portrait or landscape. So it will be become accordingly. And here you can select your margins. And after that, you can also select your fonts, like which font you wanted to use and what should be the color, what should be the font size, what should be, if you wanted to add any background, you can also select it from the desktop. You just have to click here and you can just select any image from your desktop and it will be pasted here. So all this kind of customization you can do it and it will be reflected into here. And after that you can select headers and footers, any transaction details you wanted to customize, you wanted to resize your logo, any color customization, you want to customize your customer details. So all that information you can simply customize into ZOHO Inventory PDF template. Once you have done everything, just simply click on save. And here you will see a template has been created of client trick test. So you can use this. So, and you can also customize different kind of template for different kind of things. Like for example, you have customized this for invoices. Like you can do it for the shipment as well. Like you wanted to use different kind of template for shipment, package slips, sales return, sales order. So you can customize this PDF template for different kinds. So yeah, that's how simply you can utilize, you can edit and set up PDF templates in ZOHO Inventory. Apart from that, if you're looking for any tailored guidance and need more professional help in order to select the right software solution for your business, please do not hesitate to book a free consultation call with our team. You will find the link into the description. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. And that's it for today. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.